Right here I got the Basics Electricity book. Easy to understand language with hundreds of illustrations. You can see right there it was $20, and that's the price I paid on Amazon for it with Prime. Essentials of Electricity and its Practical Applications. If you want to understand circuits, motors, generators, AC, DC, this book is for you. Research and Education Association. Let's look at the back of the book here. A Basic Electricity. The material in this book was prepared for electrical training courses. It is a practical manual that enables even the beginner to grasp various topics quickly, and numerous illustrations are included to simplify learning both theories and their applications. Direct current and alternating current devices and circuits are explained in detail, along with magnetism, motors, and generators. The book is an excellent resource for the layperson as well as a licensed electrician. We'll open up and take a look at the book here. You can see I've definitely been through this book. It's actually missing a page. I've highlighted it and I've scribbled on it and doodled on it. Chapters, you got Greek alphabet, common abbreviations and lender symbols, electrical terms, component color code, cable types. You got your table of contents here, safety, fundamental concepts of electricity, batteries, series DC circuits, parallel DC circuits, network analysis of DC circuits. The list goes on. Inductance, capacitance, inductive and capacitive. Written by a highly experienced and talented team of United States Navy instructors, this book is a practical, easy to follow training manual that has served for decades as the go-to reference on basic theory and applications of electricity. The book also lays an excellent foundation for those who wish to proceed from the basics to more advanced topics. Though prepared for electrical training courses in the Navy, the book takes a non-technical approach that makes it helpful. And there you can go through our website for more information. And right here we got chapter 1, the safety rules for technicians. And as you can see, it is a lot of reading, but that is how you learn, just by reading. Read through the first few pages here, it does start to pick up with some images here, some nice illustrations. Shows you some posters there, safety posters. Right here it gets into some electron theory, molecules, goes talking about the nucleus, more illustrations. Let's skip ahead here a little bit. Right here we got some batteries, reserve cells, mercury cells, and right here, as you can see, this is my favorite page. I don't know how you could tell, but I love studying the math behind this stuff, because math is something I struggled with, so why not study it more if you struggle with it. And I kind of got into just highlighting everything. I don't know, it's something that it was helping my brain keep up with what I was reading. I just gave up with the highlights because it's going to just hurt me in the long run, because I'm going to have a whole book full of highlights. It gets really into detail. It tells you the charging rates and charging time, fast charge, floating charge. Let's go through some of these. I got DC circuits. Go to this tab here. That's this one. Got network analysis. Got the 8th chapter here. This one is you can see it even shows you how to apply tape to the wire to give it that insulation. More battery info. Look how detailed this. Currents flowing in opposite directions. It's just great illustrations. And look at that. Materials. There's so much information in this book, and it's basic. This is just the basics to electricity to get you into something in electricity. Just flipping through some more of these pages here for you. Show you what else it's got here. We'll just flip through the final. Some trigonometry stuff in there as well, which is extremely important. That's something I'm still learning as well. Got some control devices here we'll talk about. Got instruments. Galvanometer. Right hand motor rule. That's a great illustration there. You can just see how in-depth it gets. It teaches you everything you need to know about basic electricity and illustrates it for you. Watt meter connected to various circuits. Just great detail. I was recommended this book by Electrician U. When I first started getting into the trade, I got this book. A field windings of a rotor. Just amazing stuff here. Got more. That's alternating rotating field right there with your A, C, and B phases. Let's go through here. Acceleration curves, more windings, different ways motors are wound. Just goes into the depth of everything. You could always going to be learning something from that book. Once again, $20 for all of that is a steal in my opinion, and you can get it on Amazon with Prime for probably less. So check it out. I learned something from it, so maybe you will too.